Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan Ruiz and this is my kitchen. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. If you're new to this channel, feel free to hit like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. Videos will be uploaded every Thursday. Today we're gonna do Birria Tacos. Pre-chop my onions. Let's go ahead and dice up some tomatoes. There we go. As well as chop some cilantro. Let's go ahead and turn our stove to a medium-low. Let's go ahead and put some olive oil in our comal. We're also going to put the pieces of beef chuck for searing. I want that golden brown so I can sear the juices in. And then we're going to transfer it to the pot. Alright, we want to turn the pot to a medium-low. Go ahead and put those beef chuck into the pot. There we go, make some space. I'm gonna put one more piece. Now we're gonna fill the pot with beef broth and let this simmer for about an hour, hour and a half. We're also gonna put the veggies in. Oh, forgot the garlic, here we go. And also the guajillo chilies. So I like to put a little bit of white vinegar for kick. After the veggies and chilies have softened, we want to transfer over to your blender so we can blend all the veggies and then add the liquid back into the pot. This will act as a base for your consomé. After an hour and a half, your meat should be nice and tender. We want to shred it and then add it right back into the consomé. Go ahead and pan our comal. Now you want to take your tortilla, wet it with the consomé, add it to the comal. We're going to use Mexican 4 cheese. You can choose whatever cheese you like. Now we're going to put our shredded beef. You can put as much as you like. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle some cilantro. Go ahead and hit it with some onions and some tomatoes. After that, you just want to fold it and repeat the process for additional tacos. Let's go ahead and get a beverage so we can wash down our food. Go ahead and dip the rim of the cup in the chamoy sauce and then decorate it with the tahini seasoning. All right, let's go ahead and put that lady in her dress. Alright folks, and there you have it, Birria Tacos, the moment of truth. Join me next time.